How to recover my eyes only deleted pictures on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can recover your my eyes only deleted pictures on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Snapchat application in your device and make sure that you're logged in with your Snapchat account. Once you're logged in and you land on this type of interface, at the top left corner you'll find your profile icon. Tap on that, and once you land on your profile page, again from the top right corner tap on this settings icon. Here scroll all the way down and look for an option that says I need help. So under support section you will find I need help. Tap on that. Now once you get to this interface, scroll down a bit, and at the very bottom there you will get an option as contact us. Tap on contact us. Now on the next interface you will be loaded with multiple options. From there, tap on the one that says I need help with Snapchat features. Again scroll down a bit, and under what feature is related to, from there select memories. So tap on memories, and again it will expand, and if you keep on scrolling down, there in a small section it says if you need help with memories, you might find this topic helpful. So from there tap on my eyes only. Here you will get multiple options such as how do I change my only passcode and others. You can go through that. But if you have already changed your password or passcode of my eyes, then there is no way of getting the memories inside my eyes only back. The only way you get your memories back is by contacting the Snapchat support. For that, go one step back, and if you scroll down a bit, by following the same procedure as before, there is a small section that says still need help. So tap on yes. Then tap on using my eyes only. Now again tap on yes. Now you will be land on this interface. There you can describe your issue and submit to Snapchat. For that, first of all, enter your username. Make sure you enter your correct username, and under that enter your email address associated with your Snapchat account. And under that you have to describe your problem, saying that you have recently deleted the important snaps or memories under my eyes only, so you need help to recover that. So simply type in your problem and then tap on submit. After that, Snapchat will receive your request and then will proceed it. So within a 24-hour or within the 7 days, Snapchat will contact you back and will help you solve the problem. And that's how you can recover your my eyes only deleted snaps or memories. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.